Oh, Mia, I'm so hungry. I missed breakfast this morning. My stomach is completely empty. Listen, it's actually making noises.
Oh no, Leo. We definitely need to get you some food. Actually, I'm pretty hungry too. Hey, look over there, across the street. There's a Subway sandwich shop.
A sandwich shop? Yes! I love fresh sandwiches. Let's go!
Leo? Are you okay? Why are we stopping?
Well, I really want to eat there, but I'm a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Subway is so hard for me. Every time I go inside, the staff ask me 100 questions. What bread? Toast? What cheese? What vegetables? What sauce? They talk so fast, my mind goes blank. I get scared, and I just point at things. Maybe you can order for me today?
Oh, Leo, I totally understand. Don't worry. It's actually a very simple step-by-step process. Come on, let's go inside. I'll stay right next to you and I'll explain the words while we look at the glass counter. You can do this.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we're inside. Let's get in line. Look down at the long glass counter. You can see all the fresh food right in front of you.
Wow, but there are so many choices. Where do we start?
At a sandwich shop like this, you always start with the size. You can order a foot long, which is a very big, long sandwich. Or you can order a 6-inch, which is exactly half the size.
A foot long or a 6-inch? Okay, I'm very hungry, so I definitely want a foot long.
Great! Next, you have to choose your bread. The most popular one is the soft white bread. They call it Italian bread. If you want brown bread, you ask for wheat bread.
Italian bread sounds perfect. But how do I actually start talking to the staff?
It's easy. When it's your turn, just use one short sentence. Say, "Can I get a," and then name the size and the meat. For example, if I wanted chicken, I would say, "Can I get a foot-long chicken sub?"
A sub?
Yes! Sub is short for submarine sandwich. So, look at the menu board. What kind of meat do you want? They have turkey, ham, and hot meatballs.
The turkey looks really good. I'll order a foot-long turkey sub.
Exactly! Oh, look! The person in front of us is moving down the line. It's our turn to start.
Wait, already? Okay. Step 1, size and meat. I've got this.
Hi there! Welcome! What can I get started for you today?
Hi. Can I get a foot-long turkey sub?
Sure thing! What kind of bread would you like for that foot-long? We have Italian, wheat, and herbs and cheese.
Italian bread, please.
Great! And what kind of cheese? We have cheddar, Swiss, or provolone.
Cheddar, please.
You got it! Would you like that toasted?
Toasted?
That means they put it in the hot oven to melt the cheese.
Oh, yes, please. Toasted.
See, you're doing great! Now, we just slide down for the vegetables and sauce. All right, I have a toasted turkey footlong here. What veggies would you like on this?
Can I get lettuce, tomatoes, and onions, please?
Lettuce, tomatoes, onions. Anything else? Pickles, olives, jalapenos?
No, that's perfect.
Okay. Any sauce on that? We have mayo, mustard, ranch.
Just a little bit of mayo, please.
Mayo it is. All right. Would you like to make this a combo today?
A combo? Yes. What comes in the combo?
You get a drink, and you can choose between a bag of chips or a fresh cookie.
Oh, I'll take the chips, please.
Perfect. Grab your chips and head to the rester. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We will eat here.
Great! Your total comes to $10.50.
Here is $12.
Thanks! Here's your change and here's your receipt. Enjoy your sub.
Mia, I did it! I answered all the questions.
You did a fantastic job, Leo. I'm so proud of you. See? It's not scary at all.
Wow, this looks amazing. I'm gonna take a bite right now. This is incredible.
I'm glad you like it. The Italian bread is so warm and soft, and the melted cheese is perfect.
Oh, I got a little mayo on my face. Good thing I grabbed one of these white paper napkins.
Yup. Sandwiches can be messy. You definitely need a napkin. And since we already paid and got our food, you don't really need to keep that little white receipt. You can throw it away when we finish.
Oh, good to know, Mia. Oh no, Mia, I squeezed the sandwich too hard and a tomato fell out onto my napkin. Now my napkin is completely wet and dirty. How do I ask the staff for more?
It's really easy. If you want something you can't count, like sauce or water, you say, "Can I get more?" Like, "Can I get more mayo?"
Oh,
But if you need something you can count, like one new napkin, you say, "Can I have another?"
okay, I can count a napkin. So I should say, can I have another napkin?
Exactly. Go walk over to the counter and ask the staff.
Right now? Okay, I'll be right back. Excuse me?
Hi again. What can I do for you?
Can I have another napkin, please?
Of course. Here's a stack for you. They get a little messy sometimes.
Thank you. Mia! It worked perfectly! She just smiled and handed me a bunch of napkins. That was so easy.
See? I told you! Just a few simple words, and you get exactly what you need. There is nothing to be nervous about.
Man, I'm so full. That was really good.
I know, right? Subway always hits the spot. Are you ready to head out?
Yeah, let's go. Thanks for helping me today, Mia. I was definitely overthinking it.
Anytime. You did great. No more pointing at pictures for you.
Seriously. Though, I think I need a coffee now. I'm getting sleepy.
Same. There's a coffee shop right down the street. Wanna go?
Sure. But you might have to help me again. Coffee menus are always so confusing.
No problem. I've got you. Let's go.